Good morning, it's 2 a.m. in the morning. My name is Gordon and I got up early to introduce the new SENSYS card of type F to you. After doing our card in the same way for many years, we tried to start some things different after listening to the experience of a client. And in this video today, I would like to introduce the most important features to you. And stay tuned because the last one is the most important one. Let's start with the color. As you will notice, the color is much brighter than with the old card. Instead of the dark green, we use a bright gray in order to avoid thermal effects with the sensors. Another very annoying thing with the old card was that you still needed some tools and you had some small screws that were easy to lose. With our new cards, we changed that. You don't need no tools at all and the whole carrier doesn't contain any metal at all. Another important change we added to the handles. With the old card, the position of the hands while pushing the card was some sort of unnatural and many clients complained about back pain. With the new card we changed the handles, which makes it much more convenient to push the card for days and days. Another thing many clients complained about with the old card was the narrow wheelbase. When using the old card with the extensions at the 2 meter wide push card, it was quite unstable. So we increased the wheelbase and by doing that we reworked the wheel mounting completely. In that connection we use a lot of less parts with the axles, just decreasing the overall weight. But the best feature, and I promise you will love it, is the new parking leg. This is working mainly automatically, so you can operate it with a foot and you don't need any hand to release it. By the way, the new parking leg can also be used for the old card. So if you have an old card and you do not intend to buy a new one, which I would recommend of course, you can still order the parking leg for your old card. So these were the most important features of our new card of type F. It was really fun presenting those features to you. And there will be more news soon. And if you want to see more, follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.